Hello, good morning children. You see, in history, I have explained tracing changes through 1,000 years, new kings and kingdoms, the Delhi Sultans, and the creation of an empire, the Mughal dynasty. Okay, in history, 4 chapters over. And if you see geography, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5, and yesterday 6, natural vegetation and wildlife also over. And if you see civics, okay, civics on equality, role of the government in health, how the state government works, okay, up to 3 lessons you have learned. Growing up as boys and girls, I have to start, but before that I thought to do revision for second unit. Okay, so I will start with this on equality lesson, on equality 220, page number 220. Okay, let's start with the NCERT folder. First question. Do you think Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal? List 3 reasons from the story that might make her feel like this. Okay, so in the story Kanta was a maid and they have stood in a line to give vote, to cast their vote. So in that situation, do you think Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal? What were the situations that led her that she should doubt whether she really is equal to them? Here, and they were asking to give 3 reasons. Now let's see answer. Yes, Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal. The 3 reasons from the story that might make her feel like this are: she is poor and lives in a slum. Yes, she is a poor, but remaining others, some of them are job holders, some are businessmen, and her owner as also is there. That's why, and here her situation, she is poor and lives in a slum. And the second reason is her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from work. So when she asked for leave, what the her owner said, to complete the work and go after completing the work. That's why she was unable to take the day off also from work. And she has to stand in a long queue in front of the government hospitals before she can take her daughter to the doctor. So to meet the doctor, she has to stay in a long queue. So these 3 situations, these were the 3 reasons from the story that she should feel like this. Okay, next, second question. Circle the reference to. So here these 2 are the advertisements. From these advertisements they are asking what reference to caste they are given below. So caste Nobar, Gupta boy, Tamil Brahmin Iyengar, SC/ST excuse. That means SC/ST caste they don't want, and other Gupta boy and remaining religions for them no problem, like that they have said. Next, let's say third question. Why do you think Om Prakash Valmiki was being treated unequally by his teacher and his classmates? Why? They have asked Om Prakash Valmiki to clean the school ground. Why they have treated him? Imagine yourself as Om Prakash Valmiki and write 4 lines about how you would feel if you were in the same situation as him. See, suppose if you were there in the same situation, how you would feel, like that they were asking. Now let's see the answer. Om Prakash Valmiki was being treated unequally by his teacher and his classmates because he was a Dalit. And Dalit means broken, and one who belonged to lower caste. Here Dalit means broken, and here to lower caste people they will refer this Dalit word. If I would have been in a situation as of Om Prakash Valmiki, I would have felt embarrassed and ashamed over the unfair treatment given to me. Dalits are also Dalit human are also human beings and should be given equal treatment. Here, if I was there, that means here a student should answer. If suppose not only student, of course, if in that situation, if we were there, how we will feel? We will feel ashamed and embarrassed to face that situation, and whoever there may be, but all should be treated equally. That was the answer. Okay, next, fourth question. Why do you think the Ansaris were being treated unequally? What would you do if you were in the Ansaris position and could not find a place to live because some people did not want to live next to you because of the religion you practice? So, in the third question, they have asked about Om Prakash Valmiki, and here Ansaris. So, in the lesson, you know that Ansaris were rejected to give a home as they were Muslims, and they have roamed for 1 month for a new house, and no one was ready. So, if you were there in the Ansaris position, what you will do? Due to your religion, no one was given home to you. So, how you will feel? Like that, the question was there. They were asking. Answer, you see. The Ansaris were being treated unequally because of their Muslim religion. They were discriminated and were not given place to live because they belonged to the minority community. If I was in Ansari's position, I would have told the landlord that all religions lead to one God. Also, I would have filed a complaint to the Minorities Commission against the apartment owners. So, this what I will do. Next, fifth question. If you were one of the Ansaris, how would you have responded to the suggestion that you change your name? So, if you were Ansaris, and if they, how that broker, the mediator, he has suggested na, to change your name, you don't tell that you are Ansaris, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, like that. Na? So, to that advice, how you will respond? Answer. If I was in the place of Ansari, I would have refused to change my name, as changing my identity will hurt my dignity. Okay, changing my name means it's a hurt my dignity. Next. Can you think of an accident in your life in which your dignity was violated? How did this make you feel? Do you have any experience in dignity in your life when your dignity was violated? I think yes, disgusted. Answer will vary from student. Here, this is according to your experience you have to write, but I never faced this situation. Next, seventh question. What is the midday meal program? Can you list 3 benefits of the program? How do you think this program might help promote greater equality? Midday meal program is an initiative taken by government in order to provide children of elementary schools with cooked lunch all over the country. So, midday meal program means in government schools they will provide cooked meal. 3 benefits of the program are: more poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. So, their enrolling, that means joining the school, began more and regularly, and all the children were attending the school regularly. It also helped in reducing the hunger of poor students. Okay, it also helped in reducing the hunger of poor students who cannot concentrate on their studies because of their empty stomachs. So, you have learned that as they don't have food and some were unable to take food in the afternoon, that those, and they were off from the school. So, all those situations stopped here and they were filling the stomachs of these poor children. The program also helped in improving the attendance of the students. So, here attendance also it improved. Next. This program will also help in promoting equality as it will help in reducing caste prejudices, as both lower and upper caste children will sit together to have their meals. In some places, Dalit women have been employed to cook the meals, and here there will be no difference. All the students will sit together and they will have their meals. and at the same time here employment also be shown to Dalit women. Next, eighth one. Find out about one government scheme in your area. What does this scheme do? Whom in this scheme set up to benefit? So, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya is a government scheme. This scheme is set up to benefit the girl child belonging to SC, ST, OBC, other backward castes, and minority communities and families below the poverty line in educationally backward areas. So, this is the scheme Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya. This is for who children? For girl childs who are SC, ST, other backward castes and minority communities. All these families, poverty, who are they below the poverty line, for their education, this scheme was there. What was the scheme? Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya is the government scheme. So, these are the questions from NCERT folder, children. I hope you will read these. Okay, within 2 days, I will keep ST on these questions. I hope you understood. Thank you.